What is up, guys? YouTuber Johnny Boy Entertainment Center Action Zone here for another video for you guys. Show you guys what's going on my street today. We're doing snow removal. So, gonna turn camera in 3, 2, 1. As y'all can see, they cut it right through. We got plenty of room now to put snow. Some more at least. They're up there. I'm going to get closer. In 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, wake up. This is Sandbar Learning Center. Here we are. We're doing our snow removal. Taking it around. Plenty of furry senators coming up.